Hello, my people. In case you are watching this video now and you are new around the channel, quickly click the subscription button and turn on the notification bell for any information or video uploaded. You'll be the first to get it. This is the Pioneer Maths and Physics class where we coach students on mathematics and physics and other maths. So today we are going for mathematics to revision on UTME. So you are welcome to the class.
All right,
the question is says that Mensa is 5 years old and Joy is as old as. Please move. And the Joy is twice as old as Mensa. So at present, it means that Mensa's age, let's say Joy's age is J. Then there's noise from your side too much. Then M is Mensa's age, Joy's J. M is 5 years. If J is 3 times that of Mensa, then
sorry, sir.
Joyce is 15 years. Don't worry, no, let me just continue like that because I need to record it. So for that reason, it means that J is 3 times 5, this is 15 years. X years time, you now say X years time, that the year we are looking for. Mensa's age will be X plus 5. X years time, Joyce's age will be X plus 15. Now, Joyce's age is 2 times. When it is X years time, Joyce's age will be 2 times that of Mensa. That is how we got X plus 15 equals 2 into X plus 5. Then X plus 15 equals 2X plus 10. Then we calculate, transfer this 2X to the other side. It will give us X minus 2X equals 10 minus 15 minus X equals minus 5. X equals 5. So Joyce's age will be twice that of Mensa in 5 years' time. The second question that we just solved is this, that we should solve 3 raised to power root 2x plus 1 equals 32. Since both sides are not of the same base, we change this 32 to 3
Sir,
raised
please,
to power
I'm not
5.
done copying the first question.
Don't worry, you get it. You get it. That's everything.
What is
You
it?
get the video, don't worry. I will send the video. So
Okay,
we
sir.
now
To the platform.
to the platform, exactly.
Okay,
So we now
sir.
have, we remove the base, so it means root 2x plus 1 equals 5. 2x plus 1 square the other side. So that means 2x plus 1 equals 25. 2x plus 1 equals 25. So 2x equals 25 minus 1. 2x equals 24. Then x equals 24 over 2, which is 12. Now, Temple, you say you have a question, please.
Yes.
Drop it. Okay, the question is, make use of the subject of formula x equals 2u minus 3. Is it all divided by 3u plus 2? Let me write what I understand by the question so that we can be happy.
Yes, it's 2u minus 3 all over.
X equals 2u minus 3. I've gotten it.
Sir.
Yes?
Okay, sir.
3u plus 2, right? Like this?
Yes, x equals 2u minus 3 all over 3u plus 2.
Is it like this? Is it like this on the screen?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Move. Now, we want to make use subject of formula of this. So the first thing we do is to cross multiply. And when we cross multiply, this is over 1. We have x into 3u plus 2 equals 2u minus 3. Multiply out here, we have 3ux plus 2x equals 2u minus 3.
Sir, can I join?
I don't know why Temple will not note with your sibling disturbing there. So from there we have this. We have for this one, it's like you will be more negative, but I don't want it to be more negative. So let's do it this way. Let's retain 2x to this side. Let's retain 2x to this side so that we can have a perfect calculation. So here we have 2x minus Mistura, perpetual late comma. You always come late. So we take 3x, 3 to the other side, we add it 3 is equal to 2u is here. 2u, we take 3ux to the other side minus 3ux. Then from here we have 2x plus 3 equals u is common into 2 minus 3x. Then we can divide both sides by 2 minus 3x. That is to say, u equals 2x plus 3 over 2 minus 3x. That's the final answer. Any other question? Ms. Tura, you are a late comer. Anyway, this first session will end in the next 6 minutes. We log in immediately, you are logged out. Any other question? Any other question? Question?
No,
question,
sir.
question.
Yeah.
No question. That's serious.
No. For this one you solve. For this one you solve is well understood by
no
me.
problem. Okay. I'm waiting for question to drop. What we have there is 2 root 7 minus 14 divided by root 7 plus 7 over root 22. I don't know what we are really doing. Okay, let me write what I understand by the question so that maybe it's right or wrong.
Not,
let me
not
write it.
22.
Don't worry.
21.
It's 22 you wrote L.
It's 21, sorry.
Okay, let me write what I understand by the question. If it's correct by what you have in the real question paper. We have 2.
Yes.
Okay, now let's solve. If it's correct, the first thing we do here is to rationalize. So here we have 2 root 7. If you rationalize this one, it will give you 14 times root 7 divided by root 7 times root 7 plus 7 times root 21 divided by root 21 times root 21. Then from there, you have 2 root 7 minus 14 root 7 divided by root 7 times 7 is 49, that is 7. Plus, this is 7 root 21, all divided by 21 itself. So we have 7 here, 3, and then 7 here, 2. That is, we are having 2 root 7 minus 2 root 7 plus root 21 over 3. And you can easily see that this one will cancel this one. And the final answer here is root 21 over 3, or you keep it as 1 over 3 root 21. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Let's look at the question again. If cos x equals 12 over 13, solve 1 minus tan x over tan x. Cos x equals 12 over 13, and we have to find 1 minus tan x over tan x. We realize that if we take this place to be angle x, that is telling us adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent is 12, hypotenuse is 13. We have to find the opposite. To do that, we divide it y, and that's our y squared plus opposite adjacent squared equals hypotenuse 13 squared, Pythagoras theorem. So at the end of the day, we have y squared for 144 equals 169. Manipulate the whole thing, get the answer, and y equals 5. To find sin x here is opposite, which is 5 over adjacent, which is 12. So with that, we have 1 minus tan x over tan x equals 1 minus 5 over 12 divided by 5 over 12. 1 minus 5 over 12 is 12 minus 5 over 12 divided by 5 over 12. 7 over 12 divided by 5 over 12. And when we change it, it gives us 7 over 12 times 12 over 5. And that is what 7 over 5. I'm waiting for the remaining question to drop. The question that says that,
Sir, please let me say the question.
okay, don't worry. Let me write so that I can correct.
Okay.
We have square root of 8 raised to power 2 times 4 raised to power n plus 1 divided by 2 raised to power 2n times 16.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, what
It
happened?
is 2. It is 2 raised by 2 square then n. 2 raised by 2, not n. N is down. 2 raised by 2 then n down.
Because it was a mistake from the question. It should be 2 raised to power 2n. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
So if it is down, it won't work. It was a mistake from those who typed it. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So now,
Okay.
the way we solve this is, so we now have from here 64 times 4 raised to power n times 4. You ask me how I got times 4. 4 raised to power n times 4 is same thing as 4 raised to power n plus 1. And this one is raised to power 1. Here we have 2 raised to power 2n is 4 raised to power n times 16. 4 here 1, 4 here 4. 4 raised to power n, 4 raised to power n. 4 here 1, 4 here 16. We are left with root 16, and the final answer is 4. Is that clear?
Yes, yes.
Now the question we have from Mistura is that if x plus 2 and x minus 1 are factors of this guy lx plus 2kx squared plus 24, find the value of L and K. That's good. Now, if that's the case, what we do here is what? We will say that our polynomial here, which is function of x, is known to
Sir,
be Lx plus 2k
Sorry,
x squared plus 24. Yes.
sir,
Simple.
your voice is cracking in my phone. I'm not hearing you clearly.
I can't hear you.
I say your voice is cracking on my phone. I'm not hearing you clearly.
Is that with others? Others. Is that the same thing with you? That the voice is cracking. Mistura, Kibushi, that is the same thing you are having?
No, 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 no. I can hear you clearly.
Okay, thank you, thank you. So, Temple, check your phone, your audio. Now, from this, since our function, our polynomial is this is telling us that when x plus 2 is a factor, we use factors theorem now. Factors theorem. So we take x plus 2 is equal to 0. X equals minus 2. You now substitute for x equals minus 2 in that case. You take it as function of minus 2. That is where you have x in the equation, you put 2 there. Minus 2 to say. You have L into minus 2 plus 2k into minus 2 squared plus 24 all equals 0. You must equal to 0. If it's a factor, you use that factor there to give it 0. Is minus 2L plus 2k times 4 plus 24 equals 0. Then we have minus 2L plus what? Plus 8k. Transfer 24 to the other side, give you minus 24. And with that, we are having minus 2L. Let me just leave it like that as equation 1. Now, with x minus 2, x minus 1, take x minus 1. X minus 1 equals 0, x equals 1. We now take function of 1, that is L into 1, then plus 2k into 1 squared plus 24 equals 0. We have L plus 2k plus 24 equals 0. L plus 2k equals 24 minus 24. That's equation 2. From what we have here, we can easily say that we can easily combine everything together by saying that, oh, why did I draw like this? By saying that equation 2 times 2, that will give us 2L plus 4k equals minus 48. That's equation 3. Let's take equation 1 back to that place. Equation 1 here. That is what? Minus 2L plus 8k equals minus 24. Equation 1 is this. So let's divide or subtract. So add, okay, we are going to add, we are to eliminate this. That will be equation 3 plus equation 1. This guy add to this one, give you 0. This add to this, will give you 12k. And this add to this, we give you minus 72. K equals minus 72 over 12. And the answer is minus 6. For K, L now, using equation 2. equation 2 will give us L, we don't know, plus 2 times minus 6 equals minus 24. That is L minus 12 equals minus 24. N equals minus 24 plus 12, and you transfer minus to the other side, you get plus, like that. So we now have L equals what? L equals minus 12. Therefore, from the question, L is minus 12 and K is minus. Yes, that's it. Up is clear. Up is clear. So we have, the color says that we have 6k squared equals 5k plus 6. So transferring 5k plus 6 to the other side, we have 6k squared minus 5k, minus 6 equals 0. So this is the question. Now, if you look at it very well, I don't want to use the source group. I just want to factorize immediately. I said when after talking, just mute yourself. Simple. You are the victim all over the time. Now here, if you multiply like I did, go and check the what's it called? The household mathematics that I did. You see there the first and second, part 1 and part 2. So this 6 times 6 is minus 36k squared. It means we are looking for two factors that you subtract to give you 5 and you multiply to give you 36. So in this case, I've seen the value is going to be minus 9k plus 4k. Multiply 9k and plus 4k, you get minus 36k squared. So minus 6 here. Here we have 3k is common. So 2k minus 3 plus 2 is common here. 2k minus 3 equals 0. You have 2k minus 3 common in the bracket. Then you have 3k outside plus 2 equals 0. And with that, you can easily say that you have 2k minus 3 equals 0, or 3k minus 2 equals 0. Then we have 2k equals 3, or 3k equals 2, k equals 3 over 2, or k equals 2. K is plus, sorry, plus 3 is minus 2, minus over 2 over 3, and with that we can say that therefore k equals 3 over 2 or minus 2 all over 3. We have less than 3 minutes to go. So I believe we have tried today. We can call it a day now, when we shall be meeting again tomorrow morning. For hello, my people. So we can meet tomorrow again by 6:30 a.m. So we want to call it off today. If you are new to this channel, you can easily log in or contact us through this number, or join the Telegram group. With that, you'll be joining us anytime we drop a new video or we have a new class. So I want to say thank you to everyone that has participated today. And but do you still have questions? Okay. So I want to call it a day today. tonight. Thanks, Tempo. Chibushi, thank you. Mistura, thank you. See you tomorrow morning by 6:30 a.m. And then bye for now.
Thank you, sir, and God bless you.